Hi students, this is Kameshwari from Nalla Nasimha Reddy Education Society, group of institutions, integrated campus, NAC and MBA. Today we are going to discuss about artificial recharge of water. Artificial recharge of water. The term artificial recharge of water refers to the man-made recharge of surface water runoff into the aquifers at a rate exceeding the natural replenishment to conserve water for future use. What is the definition of artificial recharge means? Refers to the man-made recharge of surface water runoff into the aquifer at a rate exceeding the natural replenishment to conserve water for future use. And methods of develop artificial recharge, that is flooding, ditch and furrows. Different methods for artificial recharge methods, that means recharge basin, runoff conservation structures such as gullies, terracing, control bunds, and also surface irrigation, injection wells, recharge pits, and also bore blasting methods. And what factors are responsible for the seepage of water? That is size of recharge area, duration of contact between the water and soil. The recharge methods depend upon the topography, geological and soil condition, amount of water to be recharged, and value of land, water quality or climate. The artificial recharges are two types, direct method and indirect methods. What is direct method? The direct method means direct recharge techniques of surface runoff water are considered to be one of the easiest and most popular method for groundwater recharge. Surface runoff are considered to be one of the easiest and most popular method for groundwater recharge. So, in this method, water moves from the land surface to the aquifer by the process of simple infiltration. Soil consists of a permeability. Due to that, water will be infiltrated into the ground surface. That will reach us to the aquifers. The direct recharge methods of groundwater recharge is categorized into the three ways. That means shallows. In shallows aquifer, water is spread over fields, basins, and ditches from which it infiltrates. In artificial recharge, artificial techniques used for groundwater, direct method and indirect method. So, in deep aquifers, water is diverted to flooding pits and dug shafts. In confined aquifers, water is sent directly into the aquifer using bore wells. Further, the direct method is divided into different types. Surface method, another one is subsurface method. Surface methods comes under percolation tank, flooding, stream augmentation, ditch and furrow systems, contour burn. So in shallow aquifers, water is spread over fields, that is basin and ditches from which it infiltrates. And the subsurface methods are recharge wells, dug wells, pits and shafts. And indirect methods. What are indirect methods? So these are the indirect method, recharge methods and aquifer modification techniques. Modification technique. In this direct method, artificial recharge may be classified as these types, na surface and subsurface method. So surface spreading recharge techniques are the surface spreading recharge techniques refers to the spreading water over large area like ponds, channels, basins, so that water can infiltrate naturally to groundwater storage areas. It is a least expensive method to conserve water for future use. Surface water conservation will be very easy. And surface spreading techniques for artificial recharge of groundwater can occur under the following condition. What are those? Sufficient storage space in the aquifer to be recharged. Sufficient space in the aquifer to be recharged. And soil structure should be permeable to maintain high percolation rate. And also the groundwater level in the aquifer should be at sufficient depth so that the rise in water level does not cause water lagging. Groundwater in the aquifer should be sufficient depth so that rise in water table does not cause in water lagging. And also subsurface. The subsurface method recharge techniques adapted to replenish the underground water storage include injection wells, head gravity recharge wells, connector wells, recharge pits and recharge shafts, etc. And indirect methods. In this indirect method of artificial recharge refers to the induced recharge of groundwater. Recharge of groundwater. Replace the underground water. Storage include injection wells. The indirect method of artificial recharge refers to the induced recharge of groundwater reservoir by different techniques. Include pumping wells, collector wells, infiltration galleries, and also aquifer modifications and groundwater conservation structures. So these are the direct and indirect method. So surface water can easy to land moves to the underground, that is reaches to the aquifers. Surface methods are percolation tank, and brief explanation regarding surface methods. So here water infiltration through the bed of the tank and reaches the groundwater table. Very effective in alluvial areas as well as in areas with hard rock. This method is very useful in providing continuous recharge after the monsoon season and flooding. This method can achieve higher rate of infiltration in a region having thin vegetation cover or sand soil cover. Sedimentation tank, recharge basin, cut fall and diverser structure. Water is distributed over the region using a distribution system. Stream augmentation. Seepage from natural stream of river is artificially increased by putting some series of check dams across the river or stream. Placing of check dams spread the water in a large area, which eventually increase groundwater recharge. The site for the check dam should have sufficient thickness of permeable bed to allow quick recharge the storage water, and ditch and furrows used in uneven terrain provided more opportunity to percolate the water into the ground in ditch and furrow systems. Spacing of the ditch depend upon the permeability of the soil. The figure shows the ditch and furrows and beside vegetation. So less permeable soil, more density. Furrow should be provided. And contour bond. So step by step. So contour bond means high level to low level, slope areas and hill areas constructed along the contours in hill regions to retain the surface water for longer time, higher to lower, hillside, upstream side to downstream, hillside to downhill. So here plantation will be provided, that means field crop rotation. So water will be comes from hill to downstream stream. So mainly used in hill type areas.